I'm very bullish on the long-term viability of Bitcoin.
I was going to say, did that surprise you?
That surprised me how much that's
Really?
gone up. I mean, look at it. It is. We're creating now a market that has more liquidity, more transparency, and I'm pleasantly surprised, and I would never have predicted it before we filed it, that we were going to see this type of retail demand.
So you thought you'd do good, but not this good.
I thought, yes.
Well, IBIT is your ETF over at iShares.
Yes.
It's about to overtake Grayscale, which was in the business certainly a lot longer. You look at the gains since January 11th when it first came about.
Yes.
Have you ever seen this much inflow this quickly into
IBIT is the fastest growing ETF in the history of ETFs.
Look, hello everyone. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. Now, Larry Finn came out and said this is literally the fastest growing ETF in the history of all the ETFs. Booyah. Now then, what is this title all about? Short Bitcoin right now. Let's examine, because we see a lot of good stuff and then we see something that is telling us that possibly a correction is here. So whether we should short Bitcoin right now or not. And don't be a retard. Please watch this video till the end, and then I'm gonna give you all the evidence, and I'm gonna give you my personal conclusion whether I'm shorting Bitcoin or not. Deal? Let's shake hands on this. So people who are not retards, let's shake hands. So we watch the video. So let's just jump straight into this immediately. I have so many things to share with you guys. And Larry Finn also came out and he said that, which actually supports the narrative of our long trade on Ethereum, that Ethereum ETF would still be possible even if SEC designates the cryptocurrency as a security, which is bullshit. And we spoke about this and I gave you all the evidence why this would be bullshit. But it's possible. Again, they could do anything. Who knows what the manipulation could be, whatever. But this is also true. The ETF would still be possible, just in a different shape, if it were to be designated as a security, just to put it out there. And a quick congratulations to us, guys, because actually we've done 50x on Space Catch. We've done, since yesterday's video, which was right here somewhere, we did 500% buying it from the market. And initially, my first video on Space Catch, I did about the pre-sale. The video is still live, and we bought it at 9 cents. So from here up to here, it's 5,000%. Congratulations. If you're a part of the family of Mr. Spot On, you're getting fucking rich. And in this bull run, you're gonna get mesmerizingly rich. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and certainly take some profits here, because I mean, already at $4 whatever on Gate.io, take some profits here so that this de-risk this trade, de-risk it so that you actually get a chance to, if anything happens, because these are small caps, anything can happen, so that you are safe. So don't tell me later I didn't tell you. So let's dive straight into this. And our actually trading challenge from 1 million to 10 million is doing quite okay. Not gonna bore you to death with this. Our trades, everything is pretty much the same. Copy trading is doing absolutely incredible. Kralow high risk, and also Kralow trades doing amazing. $48,000 made for our followers, and here are the followers plus 15%, 12%, 19%, 16%. Really nice, really nice. And once again, if you want to copy our trades automatically, you need to go to copykralowtrades.com, link down in the description as well, and you need to follow all these steps precisely. If you don't follow these steps, it's not gonna let you in precisely, and you need to use the buttons here, and you need to have a Bybit account that you've created using my link. There is a link down in the description of this video, as well as on this website right here. It says create account. And also when you're doing it, you'll also get up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses, and you can pause the screen, take a look at all the bonuses you're gonna be getting extra as well. Addition to my crypto community, a bunch of stuff. And then once you deposit money into your new Bybit account, and again, if you used my link before, then you're fine. You should be whitelisted. If not, create a new account, even if you already have an account, and you can do the KYC using another form of ID like driver's license, whatever. Then wait for 24 hours and then use these buttons here to get whitelisted, and then enjoy doing nothing. So let's move on to this. Let's examine the evidence whether we should be shorting Bitcoin right now or not. And look at this. This is actually Bitcoin price posted by Michael Saylor. Just pretty crazy, huh? And this is actually in Turkey. And Bitcoin, as he posts here, Bitcoin is hope for Turkey because of inflation. And the same thing is happening around the world, including the dollar itself. It's not as bad as this yet, but this is just horrible. I mean, it's happily those who are owning Bitcoin in Turkey, they're celebrating. They're saying finally there is something to save us from this bullshit, because the Turkish lira or whatever it's called, it's been fucking its own citizens for so damn long. And enough is enough. So therefore, if I were there, I'd be just going into Bitcoin, because look at this. It's insane. It's just insane. It's coming for every other country as well. Trust me, it's coming because of inflation. It's simple. It's just, yeah, it's sad. It's sad. It's simple and it's sad. And also because, look, Bitcoin inflation rate right now, after the next halving, it's going to be down to less than 1%. And then by the years of 2040, it's going to be down to 0.05% of inflation. This is the reason why. This is the future. This is the reason why Larry Finn, where was this? That he actually talked about it. That, you know, he's very bullish on it. Some multi-trillion-dollar asset manager. I think he knows more than you guys and more than me, etc. Now, let's examine this. This is the Bitcoin spot ETF inflows. And on the 26th, we had 500 million. 27th, 243 million. And then yesterday, 182 million. We'll see what happens today as the last day of this week. But overall, it picked up. So at least we finished the streak of these, outflows. And Grayscale is reducing tiny bit for now. But BlackRock is also slowing down a little bit. But overall, it looks good. So hopefully this is going to continue. So this is also a big piece of the puzzle. Next piece of the puzzle is this right here. If you're going to look, this is the reserves of Bitcoin on exchanges. And right now, it's absolutely plummeting because the whales are accumulating. And small fish are selling. As I showed you, idiots are selling right now when the big fish are accumulating. That's why I told you guys, I will never sell my Bitcoin below $150,000 to $300,000. Ever. 100 times I've told you this. 100 times. For the last probably 2 years, I was telling you this. My main Bitcoin will never be sold below 150 to 300,000. So, and right now, in terms of the reserves of exchanges, we're sitting at the levels of back when Bitcoin was at $800. 2018 levels. I mean, this just shows the supply shock that is coming. Look at this. This is the liquid inventory ratio, and it has reached an all-time low. So which actually means that the sell side liquidity is currently much lower than the historic levels relative to demand. So the selling is actually quite small. Yeah, Grayscale, whatever. But overall, it is actually very small. Supply squeeze is coming. Oof, it's coming. Oof, it's coming. And then also Hong Kong finance firm, whatever, aims to launch spot Bitcoin ETF as early as May. So Hong Kong coming in, the United States, it's incredible. Then in UK, the ETNs that I've covered the other day, so much inflows coming. Fed pivot, Bitcoin halving isn't even here. This is where, because of all these things, this is where we could be standing at right now, right here. Before the actual parabolic move into the actual bull market. Because remember, this is halving right here. And normally before halving, we are never ever so high up. This is just record levels for Bitcoin. Why? Because of the ETF. And the ETF will continue. The supply shock will be real. I mean, this is what it's going to look like. And are you ready? So then the question is, certainly, I mean, we can correct a little bit, consolidate from here, and then just explode, which is what we always do. And everything is coming in conjunction unless we're going to see a black swan event, something that no one can predict. Then the question becomes, should we actually short Bitcoin from here? And, you know, the only case that we currently have for shorting Bitcoin, and Space Cash, guys, congratulations on your insane profits once again. So the only case that we can see for Bitcoin, a lot of people are talking about this right now, that we actually had this formation, we broke above, and now we're consolidating here, and possibly we just got rejected in this, you know, spreading wedge, that we could be going down to retest this level of 67,000, and then by extension, this also creates a double top. And so this is like an early entry into the double top formation that's right here that could retest the levels of 50K and create this double top formation. So therefore, according to some, it makes total sense to take a short from here with first target of 67 and then 60K. And guess what? This is the only case we can currently actually make for shorting Bitcoin. And despite everything that I've just mentioned, do I really let me put it this way. Is it possible this could really play out, this stupid technical formation, and then maybe we bounce off of here and then really do come down with some news, retest 60K and that being the bottom, and then finally we create something else, create a squeeze? Just like actually something similar, I don't know if I can zoom in enough, something like this, there is actually a squeeze here and then finally break to the upside, but I think it was taken from some previous bull run, to be honest, just the technical formation itself. But could it happen? Yeah. Do I really want to risk it? No. So therefore, even if we do correct, I will treat it not as an opportunity to short it. No, thank you very much. Not anymore. No, thank you. I will treat it as an opportunity to buy more, for one, and number two, to build an amazing, huge long trade and possibly even scale my existing long trade that I have on Ethereum that I really want to keep scaling further and further. This is currently sitting only on 20K profit, $1 million trade, but still my orders are all the way down to 2,500. So I am only long, honestly, only long. I want to take only bigger trades, want to build long trades, and that's it, and be done with it. So that's my conclusion. Fuck shorting Bitcoin, not doing it, especially considering everything that I've just mentioned. But tell me, what is your opinion down in the comments? And certainly, guys, check out this quick tutorial as to how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management so you don't blow your account and you're not an idiot in this bull run and actually make some money. So check it out. Have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.